In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on 8-Ball Pool game. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the 8-Ball Pool game on your phone, you'll need to go and download it. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you did that, or if you already have it, just go and open the game. If you are interested on playing the game on your PC, I already made a video about that on how to play 8-Ball Pool on your PC. If you're interested, make sure to go and check this channel out. So of course, when you actually open your phone or your game, you'll find three options. The first option is to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have an option to create your account. Or if you don't want to do any of those, of course, logging in or creating your account, you can just go and press add playing as a guest. But of course, this tutorial will not work as playing as a guest, so make sure to go and log in into your account, or if you don't have one, go and create one. You can even connect it with a mini games account or a Facebook account. So once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main screen. And from here, if you want to change your profile picture, simply you'll need to click at your profile picture at the top left corner. So let me just go and click on that. And as you can see, that actually opened this for me. So at the top right corner again, I'll need to click at the pin icon. And from here, I'll be able to change to whatever I want. Profile picture, I have here a lot. Of course, you can buy them. So let me just buy a cheap one. This one's an example. As you can see now, I'm just going to click at a use and continue. Now when I go out, I'll find this as my profile picture. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.